Hello, my name is Thomas, and I am joined with my buddy Chad. We are here to tell you about our explorations on the history of the relationship between humans and nature within cave paintings. Come along to learn some interesting artwork with Chad. Firstly, cave paintings are one of the most earliest forms of art that tells us so much about our ancestors from thousands of years ago. Across the world, cave paintings are found with connections to nature, from the caves in France to Spain to secluded caves in Indonesia. Many cave paintings share a common theme of having a connection to nature. Our first expedition takes place in Chauvet Cave in France. I have chosen this cave painting titled Venus and Sorcerer. It is a relief that has depictions of a group of animals that consists of 4 lions, 1 horse, 2 mammoths, 1 ox, and a half-human, half-bison creature as described by the Bradshaw Foundation. Here is a little description from Chad stating the Bradshaw Foundation is an English charity that funds archaeology and anthropology, which includes rock art research. Thank you, Chad. Back to the cave painting. This is a significant artwork because it shows the connection between nature and mankind through specific details. There's a triangle in the painting that is a symbol of women in prehistoric artworks called the pubic triangle. The triangle's location within a bison creature creates a spiritual connection between the human body and nature. This connection displayed in the painting is elaborated even more by a well-known historian named Jean Clates. According to Jean Clates, his immense research regarding cave paintings has had him to infer that cave paintings from ancient times that have depictions of nature are related to spiritual themes such as shamanism. Prehistoric communities likely had members who took the role as a shaman, a figure who is responsible for communicating to the spirit world. Shamans communicate and provide guidance for hunting, healing, and protection in the community. In the Venus and Sorcerer painting, the human body part painted along the various animals conveys how humans share a deep relation to the animals they lived around. A little more background about Jean Clates is that he is an important historian in the studies of cave paintings. He wrote 2 useful books that helped Chad and I explore the history of cave paintings. In his books, What is Paleolithic Art? Cave Paintings and the Dawn of Human Creativity, and in the book Chauvet Cave, The Art of Earliest Times, Clates talks about the cultural and spiritual meanings behind the prehistoric cave paintings. He talks about the significance of animals for the survival of humans and how ancient humans respected the role, often having spiritual and sacrificial practices. Another artwork that Chad and I have decided to talk about is this cave painting of spotted horses with negative hand imprints located in Pec-Marly, France. An example of Paleolithic art, this cave painting has depictions of a certain style of horses that once lived on the earth. While the dotted patterning on the horses may help researchers like paleontologists understand extinct species of horses, the addition of handprints in the painting forms a deeper meaning. Related to the theme of nature in cave paintings, this artwork is another example of the deep and spiritual relationship that humanity shared with wildlife. According to the Bradshaw Foundation, handprints found in rock art played the role as a signature from the artist, communication, and spiritual connections. The detailed paintings of the horses alongside the human handprints shows how humans evolved and made the effort to capture nature the best they could. In our journey of researching depictions of nature in cave paintings, Chad and I noticed that plant subjects were rare in comparison to depictions of animals. One of the few depictions is in the Pinwheel Cave located in California. This cave painting of a red swirl-like shape is argued to be a depiction of a certain plant. Researchers have concluded that this artwork is of a datura flower, also known as a devil's trumpet or a moonflower. The flower curls into a spiral before it blooms. This flower is known to be highly poisonous. But with this information, historians believe the depiction has spiritual and cultural meanings to the Native American tribe known as the Chumash. It is believed the datura plant was used as a hallucinogen and was involved in sacred rituals. In conclusion, Chad and I learned a lot about the spiritual connection between ancient humans and nature during this project, and we hope that you learned something new as well. The relationship between humans and nature dates back thousands of years and is shown to be a respectful relationship. Humans were very aware and honored the sacrifices of other elements of nature for us to survive and live. So it is important that we, as humans and Chad, remember that the plant is full of mutual relations and that we need to use our role as well to allow nature to thrive. Nature helps us live, and we need to help nature live too. Thank you.